Okay viewers, today we are going to discuss one more very important question as the model in the last video. See, here this one is also based on only the property sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equals to pi by 2. So now here this one is by observing this value you can write that sine inverse, this is nothing but sine inverse of what is the given expression, sigma I is equals to g1 to infinity to x to the power of I plus 1, x to the power of I plus 1 minus x into sigma I is equals to 1 to infinity to x by 2 whole to the power of I plus cos inverse of sigma I is equals to 1 to infinity to minus x by 2 whole to the power of I minus sigma I is equals to 1 to infinity to minus x whole to the power of I. So is equals to this value is that pi by 2. This is that pi by 2. According to the formula, you know what is that formula? Already in previous videos I told you. What is that formula? Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equals to this value is that pi by 2. This one will be satisfied for all x belongs to R. And one more thing you have to be observe that if the input values are the same, input values will be the same. So according to that result, you can write that sigma I is equals to 1 to infinity to x to the power of I plus 1 minus x into sigma I is equals to 1 to infinity to x by 2 whole to the power of I, x by 2 whole to the power of I is equals to, here what is that input value right side, sigma I is equals to 1 to infinity to minus x by 2 whole to the power of I minus sigma I is equals to 1 to infinity to minus x whole to the power of I. So this is the value from the given condition. Now you see by observing this one, here if you write that I value is that 1 to infinity to, this one will be in GP and second term is also in GP and this one is also in GP and this one also will be in GP. So all these 4 terms will be in GP. So what is that first term in geometric progression? First term in geometric progression will be nothing but put I is equals to 1 in this value. So first term A is equals to x square, right? Second term will be nothing but I is equals to 2x cube. So common ratio will be R is equals to second term by first term, that is that x cube whole divided by x square, that is equals to this value will be x. In the next one, the first term A will be equals to this value will be x by 2. Okay, and next one, common ratio R will be equals to, also will be, this one is also will be x by 2. Common ratio is also will be x by 2. In the right side value, first term a will be equals to minus x by 2, and the common ratio is also same, r will be equals to minus x by 2, and here first term will be a is equals to minus x, and common ratio r is equals to also minus x, right? You know what is the formula? Sum of infinite terms in the GP, that will be s infinitive is equals to a whole divided by 1 minus r. Now by using that formula, now here you apply that 1 by 1. So this part, so to this first term, you use that, what is this sum of the infinite terms? X square whole divided by 1 minus r. R value will be nothing but x, minus x into first term will be x by 2 whole divided by, common ratio is also x by 2, this one will be x by 2 is equals to, here first term will be nothing but minus x by 2 whole divided by, common ratio is minus x by 2, so 1 plus x by 2. Next minus, last term will be, this value will be, first term is the minus x whole divided by 1 minus, common ratio is the minus x, so that is the 1 plus x. 1 by 1 all the terms you will be simplified. So what is that value? Here this value you can write that x square whole divided by 1 minus x minus x square by 2 whole divided by taking the LCM 2 minus x whole divided by, this one is that 2 is equals to minus x by 2 whole divided by 2 plus x whole divided by 2, minus into minus plus x by 1 minus 1 plus x. Here 2 will be cancelled and here also 2 will be cancelled. The resultant value will be equals to x square whole divided by 1 minus x is equals to minus x square by 2 minus x, right, is equals to, this value will be, first you write the positive term x by 1 plus x minus x by 2 plus x. Now here you take that both sides, left side you take x square is the common. If you take x square is the common, 1 by 1 minus x minus 1 by 2 minus x is equals to, here you take that x is a common, this value will be 1 by 1 plus x minus 1 by 2 plus x minus 1 by 2 plus x. Now you take that LCM x square into, here this value will be 1 minus x into 2 minus x. Now the numerator will be 2 minus x minus 1 plus x. Okay, here this value will be x into 2 plus x minus 1 minus x whole divided by 1 plus x into 2 plus x. 1 plus x into 2 plus x. So now you see, here you can take that minus x will be cancelled, plus x is cancelled. Here also minus x and plus x will be cancelled. That value will be equals to, you can write that x square into 2 minus 1 is that 1 by, multiply the denominator 1 minus 3 into x plus x square is equals to, here is that x into 2 minus x by 1 plus 3 into x plus x square. See, here after this one you cross multiply. By cross multiplying you will be get that x square into x square plus 3 into x plus 1, okay, is equals to x into x square minus 3 into x plus 1. Okay, now you take that x is the common. If you take that x is the common, x into x square plus 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1 minus of x square minus x square. Here is that, sorry, in this one, here you will be get that plus 2. Here you will get that plus 2. Here is nothing but plus 2, right? Now here also plus 2, here also plus 2. So now this one will be 2x square minus 3 into x plus 2, okay, is equals to 0. Now here you take that x is the common into x cube plus 3 into x square plus 2 into x minus x square plus 3 into x minus 2 is equals to 0. Right, now you simplify this value, you will get that x into x cube, 3x square minus x square will be plus 2 into x square plus 5 into x minus 2 is equals to 0. So all of you see this one. Here this value will be x is equals to 0 or x cube plus 2 into x square plus 5 into x minus 2 will be equals to 0. So all of you see this one. Here only that very important thing. So everyone please understand this value. So here first of all you take this one as that f of x. Let f of x is equals to, this value will be x cube plus 2 into x square plus 5 into x minus 2. So you have to take this one as f of x. Now after this one, you know that here, you know that what is that condition in this question. You see, by observing this given question, here is that this x value will be in this interval. X value will be in this interval minus 1 by 2 open interval plus 1 by 2. So here 0 will be lies in this interval. So now minus 1 by 2 and plus 1 by 2, these by substituting in that, output will be the positive or negative. You have to be see that one. Just very simple, by using the graphical method you can do this one. So f of 0, f of 0 will be equals to, what is that value? F of 0 is equals to minus 2. So this value will be the less than 0. It is the negative. Next f of minus 1 by 2. F of minus 1 by 2. So f of minus 1 by 2, you can write that minus 1 by 8 plus, this one is the 2 by 4 minus 5 by 2 minus 2. So now you see, by simplifying this value, here you can write that minus 1 by 8. So here plus 4 by 8 minus 20 by 8. Okay, minus 16 by 8. You can write this one. So now here 4 minus 20 minus 16 minus 16. So that is nothing but totally this value will be, how much this value? Minus 37 plus 4. Minus 37 plus 4 is that minus 33 whole divided by 8. This is also less than 0. And f of 1 by 2. F of 1 by 2 value, how much this value? Plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8, and next one is that plus this one is that 2 by 4 and plus 5 by, this one is that 5 by 2, this one is 5 by 2 minus 2. So now here also by taking that LCM, 1 by 8 plus this one you multiply and divided with the 2, 4 by 8 plus this one is a 20 by 8 minus 2. So this is that of 25 by 8. 25 by 8 minus 2, that is equals to 25 minus 16. 25 minus 16, that is nothing but how much that value? 25 minus 16, 9. 9 by 8. It is also positive. So now simply you see that you draw that one graph. So here this one will be nothing but x-axis and y-axis. This is nothing but 0. This is nothing but 1 by 2. And this one is that plus minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. In this interval, here f of 1 by 2 is a positive and f of minus 1 by 2 is the, f of 1 by 2 is the positive, f of 1 by 2 is the negative. So f of 0 will be equals to, this one is equals to negative, f of 0 will be negative, f of 0 will be negative. See, you have to be observe this one, f of 0 is the negative and f of minus 1 by 2 is that what? That is also negative. And that means the curve will be like this one. The curve will be like this one. Here is that you can say f of 1 by 2 is the positive. And that means you will be get this value. The curve will be like this position. So totally how many roots will be there in this interval? One root will be nothing but 0 and other root will be nothing but this one. So total number of the roots, hence the number of roots will be in this interval will be, how many roots will be possible? That roots will be nothing but 2 roots are possible. So in this interval 2 roots will be possible, and therefore two values, I mean therefore 2 roots in this interval. Hence there are 2 roots. Hence there are 2 roots in open interval minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So in this question you can understand, this value will be, say what is that given question? Here you have to find that number of real solutions of this equation. Real solutions means how many x values will be exist in this one. One value is the 0 and other value will be lies between 0 to 1 by 2. So total number of solutions, number of real solutions will be 2. It is the previous advanced question, that is 2018. This question is 2018. Previous year question, advanced 2018. So this one is the very important model related to the fundamental. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please share and subscribe this channel.